Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Love you guys. Glad you're here. I'm gonna work in my Trashy journal, and so far I have one signature full and it is really full. Let me show you what I mean. Do I have a problem? Because this is going to be so chunky. Because this is what they look like to start with. And I've only got 3 5-page signatures in here. So if they all end up being this way, I'm gonna need a wider spine, or I have to do some rethinking, because I mean, that's what I've got left for space. So I might have to rethink this, because this is really getting thick. I mean, that's one signature and I've got 2 more left. So with that in mind, I'm gonna set that part aside. Here's the first signature. And, or do I just make sure I added some paint to this color? Do I just like pull these pages apart and just make a couple thinner? I can't stop adding stuff to them though. What do you guys think? Keep adding and they end up being this big. So you know what? Here's what I'll do. I'll just keep doing page by page stuff. And at the end, I've got more than one cover. I will decide which book it will go into. How is that? That makes a lot of sense to me. So just do individuals. That doesn't have to be its own signature. These don't have to be their own signatures. So I can just like do 1 page at a time, set it aside, and then at the end, then put all the pages together. I think I'm onto something there. So very cool. So I'm just gonna set these things aside, the ones that are done and the ones that aren't done. And let me show you what I'm working with here. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna adjust you for a second. That is my rolling cart full of all of my stuff, covers in the back, all of my cardboardy type stuff on the side like adhesives, small things down there. I've got fabric in there, and then on the bottom is my recycle bag, and then a few other little doodads, and I've got a little shelf here for the book. So that is my setup for working on this Trashy journal. And it's mobile, so I can take it out into the living room if I want. And right now I'm in my craft room, but it is cold in here. My hands are cold. I'm wearing a couple layers, my big sweater. Anyway, so let's just get to playing. Okay, we'll see how we do, how we get on today. I hope everyone's having a great day. Let's move these 2 things aside. And I got my Kodiak muffin mix. Let's just go on the inside of this, and I'm gonna try to do some flat things. So I've peeled some packaging just to have as backgrounds, and I've got my Elmer's extra strength glue sticks, and I'm just gonna kind of go to town. I need a paper behind here. There we go. Sometimes my sweater gets snagged on stuff. Yeah, I had to buy some more glue because I'm almost out of it as well. And I have this too that I can kind of spread it around, smush it down really good. Yeah, got some glare. Let's turn on this light too. Just have a lot of brightness coming through here. And then I also have receipts, more packaging, and labels. This Werther's is always fun. I actually accidentally ripped it, but this is going to require some double-sided tape. I'm doing it there. So yeah, that would work right there. But I have to use double-sided tape. Where's my lid? And I've got so many rolls of this stuff, so I may as well use it. It might, yeah, that's, whoops, my enthusiasm. I bought a whole bunch of this stuff once upon a time, and I realize now that I don't use it very often. And I think I just wrinkled it. Partly because once you put it down, there is no getting it back up. It is a one-time fit. And part of the problem with these books too is I want to make pockets everywhere. And that creates quite a bit of bulk. Whoops, let's make sure I get it the right there. There we go. Trim that edge off. Got a little wrinkle. Okay, oh, don't, and down you go. Got a little wrinkle. Oh, well. Okay. Got a circle, and I want to do on here, this is what I used to make this. What can I add? Here, let's move all my tapes here. I brought out one of my packages to work on here. Got a beads thing I can put on there. This is another couple skinned thing. Oh, here's the stickers I got from the popcorn. The popcorn that's super expensive, and yeah, this was the bag, 3.14 ounces, and I think we paid like $25 for 2 bags of these. It was crazy. Really good popcorn though, not even kind of. It was very good. But if this is a sticker, will it stick without it? Double good. Then I'll do a little. How about a Brad right there with this? And let's find a picture from something. Let's see. She's kind of fun. Let's do her. Where's the scissors that I had just a second ago? There we go. Oh, I've got sticky on my scissors. That's what's happening. She's got Beetlejuice earrings on. Oh, whatever. She looks like she's happy. Maximize freshness. I need a background. Do. Okay. Where did the scissors go again? Okay, where's my tape I was gonna use? Where did it go? Here's the end. Let's get it straight. See, hold on though, hold on. Because if I have this as, I'm gonna flip out, I'm gonna flip it that way. So I'll put it upside down. There we go. Let's glue this on a little bit so it stays in place. Okay. Getting glare. Turn this light off. A little less glare. Okay, and then I need a bigger piece now at the bottom here. I don't have glare. Is that an option? There. And then I'll put a brad on there, right up here. You can slide around or flip up and down. Like that. I'm gonna see if I can angle my camera so I don't have glare. It doesn't seem like I can get rid of the glare, so we're just gonna let it be. I put my brad somewhere else, and now I gotta find them. Okay. Forever. I want a color that's contrasting with the orange one. Hot stuff. There we go. Why not? Okay, pokey tool. And right there. How's that? That's a little bit of fun. Okay, what's next? Flip it, flippity, flippity, ibbity, gibbet. Okay, what's next? Scrap. Let's throw another label on here. Okay, where'd my rag go? Good. What else? Next, I'm gonna cut the QR codes out. I don't know why, I like QR codes and barcodes. They're just fun. Stick it right on where I got it from. Oops. Okay, next up, it's a little one, beets. Do I have beets already? I think I do. It doesn't matter. I know I have beets already. Let's move on. Let's throw in a part of a receipt. You can put that on the fold here. Let's do that on the fold because then it doesn't matter. But look at the back of the receipt. Look at all that color on the back of the receipt. That's kind of fun. Maybe I'll just do the back. Why not? That sounds like fun to me. And just, even though it's on the fold, doesn't matter. Trim off the top a little bit. Should I fold it over? Have it come up? Yes, let's do that. interesting. Okay, that's I like it. Okay, moving right along. We are zipping and ripping and tipping and slipping. Got this little tabby doodad too. Got the Alka-Seltzer original flavor. That's the fold. I think I'll skin this. It's gonna let me? That's one layer. Feels like there's more than one. Okay, don't want to fiddle. Don't want to fiddle. Okay, good. I like it. Got a little thing here. What about a sticker? Do I have a little sticker? Put part of a banana sticker there. Green or purple? Green. And the scissors have disappeared. There they are. Give it a little extra glue. Okay. What about down here? Where is my fun tape? Okay. What ones should I put? Which ones? Oh, so pretty. Let's do. I really like the green. Got some green. Let's do this one. This one's a little smaller. No, what do I got there? Okay. Add a little extra glue. And pretty. How do I attach this? I'll think of something else to do with that. Okay, guys, this video is getting long, but there are some fun things on here already on the inside. That looks like a good start for this, and I'm keeping it a little bit flat. Got this little flip right here used with Scotch packaging tape. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for coming along to share in my junk journal, trashy journal journey. It's becoming such a fun project. So, and I didn't sew anything today, but I want to show you one thing. Hold on a second. Where did the cover go? You probably snuck a peek at that, but I made a master board with this and I did sewing on it. I'll probably do the same thing on this side over here because it's just blank, but isn't that fun? Because I did something like this on the cover of my previous one. So, and then some mail, some striped mail. Love it. This was, and I had to maintenance my sewing machine again. My sewing machine doesn't like all this material because it gets all, there's like dust in it or whatever. Anyway, the fibers. Yeah, anyway, maybe my needle needs replacing. That's a possibility. All right, friends, that's it for today. Thanks for coming along. Love you guys. Take care. And as always, God bless. Bye-bye.